break.
Freezing. How do I look at me? My face is my nose is red. I'm actually cute in real life.
Alright, so today is wash day. It is Sunday. And we are using some, put this in my hair first, wet my hair, put this in with some coconut oil, and then I'm going to wash it out. So give you a 360 what my hair looks like. I've had it straightened since December 27th, and after the straightened look got old, obviously my edges have not been redone. I'm using flexi rods. Let's get started. 25. I love it, smells so good. So this is what I'm starting with.
A few moments later.
I have just finished putting this protein pack, coconut oil in my hair. The reason I have a spoon is because I also use coconut oil on my face. So my little sister gave me this idea, scooping it out and just splattering it on my hand, just so I don't get like hair stuff inside the coconut oil. And I'm just putting it on my face, just trying to keep it consistent. But yeah, it's still in my hair. So this is it. All my curls look really good. I'm loving this shine. And I didn't necessarily have to put coconut oil in my hair because this protein pack obviously already has coconut oil. But yeah, here it is. It's not going to fit over all of this, so I'm going to put a plastic grocery bag over my hair, and we're going to do this for, I don't know, either 15-20 minutes, and I will be back.